Hello learners, welcome to Triaright. Today we will be learning for the palindrome number, whether the given number is palindrome or not using the functional interface method here. So what is palindrome number? For here we will be watching that palindrome numbers are numbers which when written from the beginning, or if the digits are written from the beginning, or if the digits are written from the end, the digit will remain the same only. The number will remain the same only. So here palindrome number is a number that reads the same backward or forward. That number is the same. The number will remain the same. If the same, if that is whether it is read from forward counting is done or backward counting is done. Every time the number will be same. So coming here to 1 to 1. If you starting from 1 to 1, so if it is read from 1 to 1 from the beginning, and from the end also if you read 1 to 1, so every time the number will be same only. Well, for 1 to 3 to 1, if we are starting from beginning, the number will be 1 2 3 2 1, and end from end 1 2 3 2 1. Now coming from the beginning and end, both the numbers are the same only. In the both the repetition, the number that remains the same. So it's the palindrome. And coming here from 1 to 3, 1 to 3. If you're starting from number will be 1 to 3, and if you will be coming from the end, that will be 3 to 1. This is a different number. This is a different number, so it's not a palindrome. Now here coming to the functional interface. In the beginning we will be marking the notation as at the rate of functional interface, and then we have an interface here. Interface having the name palindrome checker. Palindrome checker is the interface here. And now they're coming with, there is a body part which doesn't process anything inside the body, but there is a method, but it doesn't consent anything inside the body part. So here there is a method boolean is palindrome. Here there is a method boolean is palindrome, to which we will be passing the int numbers as parameters. Int number as parameters. Now coming here, we have the public class palindrome number checker. There is a class named as public palindrome number checker, which has a public static void main string args as a main method line, and we are using here a lambda expression. For that, we have the checker variable of the type of palindrome checker only. Palindrome checker as this is a interface. Palindrome checker is an interface, and there is a variable named as checker. Check, which will represent this palindrome checker. So here we'll passing the numbers as the parameters. So here we will passing the numbers as the parameters, and following that we have the body part. Body part here int number. Here we will be assigning the numbers. Here we will be giving these numbers to the int original. Suppose there is a variable int original. To this variable number will be assigned, and int reverse. So we are taking other variable as int reverse, and we are assigning that by 0th. While that number is greater than 0, until and unless that given number is greater than equal to 0, then this body part will be performed here. So for the first part, we'll be giving int digit that will be assigned to the value of number mod 10. That will be giving us the last digit of that number. We are taking a number 1 to 1, and we are taking that one out of from the end, and giving that number to the digit. Now here in the reversed is equal to reversed into 10 plus digit. Here value of reverse will be 0. In the beginning the reverse value is 0. 0 into 10 is equal to 0. This will be assigned with 0 plus 1. 0 plus digit was having a value of 1, so 1 will add to that. 1 will be added to that. So here the value of digit reverse will be 1 only. 1. Yeah, here 1. Now coming further, that number 1 to 1, that is being divided by 10. Now here if 1 to 1 is divided by 10, we will be getting only 12 only. We will be getting 12. The number is 12. So this number is greater than 0. Yeah, 12 is greater than 0. So coming here we will be taking again the digit, last digit rolled out. So it is here 12 divided by 10. We will be getting only 2 as part. Yeah. Now coming on to this result, reverse. It was having a value of 1. Reverse was having a value of 1. Yeah. This reverse was value of having 1. Now 1 into 10. 1 into 10, it means that 10. It means 1 into 10 is equal to 10. 10 plus the digit is equal to 2. 10 plus 2, 12. 12. Now that number will again is divided by 10. Means that will be equal to 1 only. 12 divided by 10 equal to 1. 12 divided by 10 equals 1. Now that 1, the 1 is greater than 0. So again that digit will be divided from 10, and the digit will 1. 1. That 1 more 10 means that is equal to 1. And now here it was having value of 12. 12 into 10 is 120, 120, 120, and plus digit is equal to 1. So 1 to 1. Again the 1 to 1 will be here. So in the beginning we have given that number, we have the given number which we have provided the number as 1 to 1, and we have given that number to original. Now it will be checking here that original equal to reverse. Yeah, it's true. 1 to 1 is equal to 1 to 1. So this number will be reversed here. For that, now we have taken array test numbers, array of numbers as test number. Here we have taken an array of numbers as these are the numbers provided here in the array list. And for using that for each loop, you will be using for each loop now. For if that number is in this array list, yeah, if that number is in this array list, is the number is in the array list test numbers. Array list is test number. If this number is in test numbers, this array list. So if checker is palindrome, this checker is of the type palindrome checker, palindrome number checker. We have taken the checker this type. This checker is of the palindrome checker type only. Yeah. So this palindrome is if checker is palindrome means what to the number, what will be providing here as a number. If this number is palindrome, system dot println it is palindrome. It is a palindrome. That's not palindrome. I repeat. For coming to this for loop, we will be checking if the number belonging to this in this array list, belonging in this array list by the name of test numbers. For this number, if it is in this array list, if checker is palindrome, if palindrome checker is palindrome, if that number is palindrome, if that number is palindrome, then you have the message. We will be getting the message is palindrome. We're getting a message as is palindrome for that. Yeah. Now coming further, we can see that for these numbers provided, it will be each and every data will be treated separately, and coming here we will be getting the output as for each and every number. We will be checking it. Number will be checked, and similarly the output will be provided. Yeah, 1 to 1 is palindrome. We have checked. We have done the output also. We are getting the output. We have done the try run also. That 1 to 1 is palindrome. 1 to 3 is not palindrome. You know why? And 454 is palindrome, and this is also for 78987 is a palindrome, and 1001 is a palindrome, and this 2023 is not a palindrome, right? Because you know that running from beginning or the end, the number should be same. Then this number is palindrome. Running from the beginning or running from the end, that number will remain the same. So this is palindrome. So coming here, we are coming to the end, and now finally we have checked that palindrome checker is a functional interface with one abstract method. Here in the beginning we have seen that palindrome checker is a functional interface. We have seen that palindrome checker is a functional interface with one abstract method. Yeah, here it's palindrome is one abstract method with int number as parameter. Yeah. So here we have followed. It was followed. We have a lambda expression following that palindrome checker with a variable checker. After that we have the lambda expression, palindrome checker following by the checker, and then we have the numbers provided. Numbers are the parameter provided, and then we have the body part, that is the lambda expression for lambda expression. Lambda expression here, the lambda expression implements the logic for reverse the numbers and compare it with the original. Here the lambda expression was implementing the logic. It was reversing the number and it was comparing it with the original. And the program, this program tests the few numbers and print whether number is here. We're taking the number list, this here. We have taken the list and we are checking for if these numbers are palindrome or here. This program. Here in this program, we have taken the list and we were checking for that is palindrome or not. And here the lambda expression. Here coming to this lambda expression, we have the lambda expression. Here it was reversing the number. Here it is reversing the number and checking with the number and checking with the and finally checking with the original. If the numbers is equal to original reverse number, the reverse number is equal to the original number or not. That was checking for the original. That is a palindrome or not. That is the reverse number is equal to the original number. Then it will be palindrome number. So it was doing the same thing here in this program. The lambda expression implements the logic to reverse the numbers and compare it with the original. And finally we were testing for number list of numbers in that array list. We were taking the numbers at palindrome or we have taken the number. We were checking it for that those numbers are palindrome or not. Now we are at the end of the class. We'll meet in the next class. Thanks.